Tutorial of Lishi HY22. The lock has 6 spaces. From the first to the 6th, use lifter to look for wafers. The first is elastic, second not elastic, third elastic, fourth not elastic, fifth elastic, sixth elastic. First, third, fifth is down. Second, fourth, sixth is up. Push the tension bar depending on the arrow and pick this lock. Touch the first. If not spongy, click. Third is spongy. Fifth is spongy. The second, not spongy. Click. The fourth is not spongy. Also click. Sixth, not spongy. Click. And then we use letter B one more time from the first space. Spongy, go on another one. Spongy, go for another one. Spongy, go on, spongy. And then use lifter A. Spongy, spongy. Second, spongy. Fourth, not spongy. Click. Sixth, spongy. Go for another one. One more time, use lifter B. Look for the wafer that's not spongy. Spongy, spongy, spongy. Go on. Lifter A. The first is not spongy. Click. Third, fifth, second, fourth, sixth. And then use lifter B. Spongy, 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 not spongy. Click again. The lock is picked. And then let's get beadings from every wafer. The first wafer is 3. The third wafer is 1. The fifth wafer is also 1. The second wafer is 2. The fourth wafer is 2. The sixth wafer is 3. The beading of track A is ready. Decode track B. First is 1. The third is also 1. The fifth is 2. The second is 2. The fourth is 3. The sixth is also 3. All key beadings ready. Pay attention. Here is very important. Don't pull the Lishi output of lock before turning back. How to turn the Lishi back? Remember, HY22. Just use lifter B. That's okay. Touch the wafers from the first to the last, one by one, to touch. Look for wafers that's not elastic, not spongy. Not spongy, click. One more time. One more time, click. Not spongy, click again. Nice, successfully. And then you can pull the Lishi out of this lock. Finally, how to get a new key by the numbers from Lishi. The first step is connecting by Bluetooth. Look for menu, cut by beating. Search HY22. Here it shows which key blank. Click standard key. Install the key blank depending on get picture. If it's ready, click continue. Input the code from Lishi. 321 213. B track 121 323. Finally, click cut. Click OK. Finish cutting both sides. Clean particles. It looks nice. Try to turn on the lock. Perfect cutting.